account, that's what a textbook might say, because when you might say, I received a check for work done in the past, right? I received money, some type of payment, not for goods or services provided today, but for goods and services provided in the past. When we think about this in terms of a data input, typical terminology for software such as QuickBooks is a data input form. When you think of forms, normally you think of something that you're going to give to a client or a customer or a vendor oftentimes. But we're talking about a data input form here, meaning this is the field that you use to do the data input. That's why we call it a data input form. And if it's a receive payment data input form, that means that you're some kind of cash or some payment is going up, and the other side is going to decrease the accounts receivable. So this is going to be for the 1,600. So did we receive cash? We're going to say yes, we got cash here. Now, note that if you're thinking about a QuickBooks type of system, accounting software, we still have to account for the idea that we might not have put it into the checking account yet, because we might have a grouping situation where we got multiple payments that are going to go into the checking account as one lump sum, such as could happen with credit card payments and so on. So that's why we have this undeposited funds account. But we got some form of payment. I'm going to just put it into cash with our transaction right now. So we're going to say it's going to increase the checking account 1,600, and then the other side is going to be going in to accounts receivable negative 1,600. So we're on the same side of the accounting equation. It went up and then went